stop using ChatGPT, please. But what can you do instead? Because honestly, I'm using it for everything, like asking what food I should make today, what time should I wake up, and some ideas for YouTube videos. Basically, there's a wide perception that ChatGPT makes you lazy. Not that lazy. Lazy in a sense that you just don't use your brain. You just go on ChatGPT, you ask questions, it gives you answers, and you just do what it says without questioning it. And that's pretty much throughout the whole day. And research has actually some bad news. Well, basically, according to an MIT research, says that 83% of the participants who just use ChatGPT, they do not remember what they wrote minutes ago on ChatGPT. And critical thinking and memory gets cut in half. How much does the iPhone 17 cost? What video should I make tomorrow? Oh, and ChatGPT told me that my lock screen is funny. I don't know if this is relatable, but I'm just saying this. Something else I found, which is something that all of us relate, is that we get information from ChatGPT, we copy it, we paste it, and we just don't know if it's true, or at least we assume that information is true. And for that, I actually got accused for plagiarism in college. Yes, I'm serious. Basically, we just have the easy button of doing things. For example, you want to write an essay? Ask ChatGPT. You want to travel? Ask ChatGPT for the best recommendations. You want to order flowers for your girlfriend? Well, not yet. According to 2025 study, younger participants showed decline in problem-solving skills because basically we just have the easy way of doing things. Like you could come up with a math problem, you just ask ChatGPT to do it. You come up with a daily life problem, you ask ChatGPT to give you suggestions. So basically, not using your brain as much as you should do. In a few words, not using our critical thinking skills to do things. And yeah, that's a problem. And I'm actually a victim of this. While at college, I was asking it to explain to me some topics because I did computer science into a very simple level to understand. And speaking of college, there are actually a lot of reports of students using AI to complete their assignments, their essays, and all of this crap. And now several employers are actually questioning the validity of degrees, which is not the best thing, actually. Oh, and by the way, if my background looks a bit different, it's because I'm recording this like 6 hours after I recorded the previous clips. I mean, I was in the hospital. Okay, good, got it? Great. And now I'm just asking it, what should I cook for today? Is water healthy? And what am I doing with my life? That's actually a real question. And yeah, basically at the end of the day, just AI controlling your life. And this makes me think that we're moving towards this. I think it's not good. My advice, just use it less. And maybe start questioning whether the information is good. One advice I always give is that ChatGPT sometimes gives you the resource of where you got the information. Just look at the resource because the most accurate information you'll find is from the resource itself rather than what ChatGPT summarized. So yeah, that's an exercise for you to do. Oh, and this is the second video of the 365 challenge. My last video did very well. I got 36 views and $0. I think these are good numbers. But yeah, I'm happy. I'm uploading videos. Just please don't dislike my videos. All right, see you tomorrow. Subscribe.